Hello folks, thanks for joining me. This is the conclusion, a final look at the artifacts in Neukum on Mars, connecting even more dots, the disks and blocks of Neukum on Mars. This is the HiRISE photograph we're analyzing, acquired on the 10th of June 2009, called USGS Dune database entry 0288-450. And we're looking at original image scale of 25.3 centimeters per pixel. And as always, I'm showing you anomalies cropped from the JP2 black and white map projected file. And the anomalies are these funny, strange looking white dots scattered throughout this low-res image. This region is located 45.08 degrees south, 28.86 degrees east in this dark patch of here. Huge dunes in this Neukum depression. The disc or dome-shaped object right there is about 12 meters in diameter, and the little dark spot on it is about 1.5 meters across. So let's take a look at another one that I found. This is also about 12 meters in diameter. Same layout, check out that dark spot in the center. This is from my video connecting the dots, odds and ends in Proctor Dune field on Mars. So there's another connection there for us. Next anomaly looks like one of these tombstone objects again. It's about 12 meters across and 12 meters wide. And the dark spot there in its center is about 1.5 meters in diameter. So check that out. Another one of these tombstone shaped objects. Not that it is a tombstone, guys and girls. There's another one. I found many of these. So this is just one example. Check this out. Also about the same size. And on top of this one, we've got that little sphere, and it has a diameter of about 1.5 meters. From our video, Mars, Utopia Planitia, and its dozens of saucer-shaped objects, extended. It's a long video, that one. Another one of these strange objects, also 12 by 12 meters, and that dark spot on it is about 2.5 meters in diameter. Got this rounded shape to it. And then at the back here, through that line, we've got two of these straight edges with a rounded part coming off to the back. And yes, believe it or not, there is another one. This one's in my video called Mars, Utopia Planitia, and it's dozens of saucer-shaped objects. So check that out. There's a rounded shape to it. And then through the line over there, we've got these two straight edges. And then a strange piece at the back as well. And also that little protrusion on it is about 2 meters in diameter. So there's another dot being connected right there, I believe. Next object, and I've seen so many of these, I'm not even going to compare them to any other objects with these protrusions on them. This one's about 10 by 12 meters, and there it's got a little arrow on it, and that arrow, it looks like an arrow, guys and girls. That's about 4 meters long. We've got the point over there, check that out, and that little dark spot is about 1.5 meters in length. And underneath it, we've got another disc-shaped object over there. So as I say, if you've been watching my channel and my research and work, you'll know that I've found so many of these already. It's not even going to be worth it checking them out. Check out these strange anomalies. Also these weird objects with protrusions on them. There's even one there with a hole in it. Almost like a cone shape to it. So let's see, this one over here to the right is about 12 meters long and about 4 meters wide. So that gives you an idea. These are basically the same size. Check out this little dome on top there, and then in its center it also has a smaller dome. Very weird. And this piece over here looks like it has a hole in it, like a cone going inside, and then a little pyramidal object on top of this one. Now we're looking at some rectilinear objects. Here's a little square cube. That's about 10 by 10 meters, and on top of it, it's got that little pyramid. Check it, the two edges over here, rather strange, got a curvature to it, coming up to an apex over there. There we go, we're looking at blocks over here, guys and girls. Check out this one. That's about 6 by 6 by 6 meters. Got straight edges, flat surfaces, and 90-degree angles in that piece. Here's a smaller block measuring about 5 by 3 meters. So it's about 5 meters long, 3 meters wide. Also straight edges to it and right angles. Check that out. And there's another one up there. This one measures about 8 by 8 meters, and that depth is about 4 meters. With these straight edges here, right angle there. Okay, there's another block. This one's about 8 by 8 meters, and it's got a depth of about 4 meters. Smooth flat surfaces, straight edges. There's a 90-degree angle there. Look at the strange shape to this one side. It's got like a rounded shape to it. There they are next to one another for comparison. Very similar in design and shape. Some a little bit smaller than others, but still huge on earthly scales. The two bottom artifacts are from our video called Best Evidence of Megalithic Blocks and Ruins on Mars. Also got flat surfaces, check that out, 90-degree angle there. There's straight edges, check these blocks. Here we've got some that are still next to one another. This almost looks like it could be like a little pillar. Remember, these things have all fallen over. So they aren't standing up, pointing up towards the HiRISE. So these have fallen over, guys, from all the devastation and the multiple catastrophes that hit the planet. So check that out. This block is about 8 meters tall, and each side there's about 3.5 meters. And this block is about 4 by 3 meters. Check at that little rounded part there. Also, it looks as if a little piece has been cut out on this one side. Almost like a little eye. Very weird. Okay, these are from the Argaea Planitia ruins of Mars. So if you haven't seen these videos yet, guys, please do so. Check these out. Very interesting anomalies. I know these are some of my older videos, and the quality isn't as good, especially the sound. But yeah, check these out. We've got a row of these rectangular blocks next to one another. As I say, these have fallen over. And check there as well. It's almost as if this could have been a wall that toppled over. Look at the way these smaller blocks have been cut to fit to these larger ones over here. And these over here have got protrusions on them, very similar to those megalithic blocks and walls in South America. And these also huge blocks, especially this one, from our video special edition, the Ancient Megaliths and Ruins of Mars, the Evidence Part 2. This block over here is about 15 by 10 meters, and there on it, it's got a little protrusion right in the center of that straight edge. And it looks as if these blocks also toppled over, moved apart. And here we've got some more rather strange goings on here. We've got these blocks arranged around this centerpiece. I speculate this could have been like a base to a sculpture or some type of monument. This piece over here is about 10 by 8 meters. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks arranged around it. And it looks as if they fit nicely together. And then just for good measure, this is from Special Edition, The Ancient Megaliths and Ruins of Mars, The Evidence Part 2. And we've got this strange Rubik's Cube anomaly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 smaller blocks arranged like a Rubik's Cube over there. And this is about 9 or 8 meters by 8 meters. And then right up there, another row of similar blocks. This concludes part 3 of the anomalies and artifacts in Neukum on Mars. I hope you found it informative and interesting. Do let me know your opinions and your analysis on these anomalies down in the comments below. Always appreciated, guys and girls. And remember, you can follow me Facebook, Twitter, or over at my blog. And if you'd like to contribute to my research and work to cover overheads, I'd be very grateful. You'll be very kind if you do. I've got a PayPal and Patreon account for that. So I'll be back with some more Mars and space news, and I'll be keeping an eye on that strange blue artifact that was potentially found in our solar system. I know that Blake from Third Phase of the Moon is following up on some more leads. At the moment, as far as I know, the two astronomers have different opinions, so there's still no conclusive answer as to what this anomaly is. Looks like a shape-shifting transformer type interdimensional craft, or origami on a large scale. Alright guys and girls, thanks for watching. I'll be back. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.